Hi, my name is Jeremy. I'm with KONE Elevator. I'm a service rep out of the Des Moines area, and I service a lot of the surrounding areas here. Right now we're at a job in Webster City, Iowa. It's a small town north of Des Moines. And I'm going to go through a project where, long story short, we had a controller issue. And I'm going to kind of go through how VMI and MEI helped me out through that project. I reached out to Steve at VMI, and basically it was a short-term, fast turnaround. Customer wanted the elevator back up and running as soon as possible. What Steve was able to do is actually come down and survey the site. Physically took a lot of notes from the controller, also the selector, and the COP. So what I'm going to show you through this video is what we're up against with the controller. That COP, we actually ended up getting a drop-in COP from Innovation, and ended up getting a new selector from VMI. So hope you find this video beneficial, and we'll skip to the fixtures. Alright, right now we're inside the elevator car. I'm going to talk a little bit about the COP and what we're up against here. One slick part that when I worked with VMI and MEI was that the fixtures, as you can see, consisted of the whole panel. So one pretty slick thing that we did is I reached out to Innovation with VMI's help, and basically was able to get a brand new tilt COP. And in a little bit, I'll show you some of the things behind the COP about. As I mentioned before, this was a tilt COP from Innovation. Through the process, we actually made arrangements with Innovation to have the fixtures immediately shipped to VMI. And through that, what VMI did was they pre-wired all the fixtures, and they also tested that. So it was a serial COP. So once they were done with that, they immediately shipped it to us. So from an installation point of view, it was a simple plug-and-play type installation. So we actually saved some time on the labor, got the job in faster, and as you see, the COP runs flawless. So it was a nice solution. Here we are in the car top. What I'm going to talk about is a leveling system I got from VMI. Long story short, the old system did not have a cam and limit switch feature. We didn't want to run extra wiring, extra piping. What that would have equated to is an extra day, let's just say, which in the grand scheme of things would have cost more money to the owner. So in an effort to get a faster installation, we got this new leveling system from VMI. At the end of the day, what's most important is to save this time